Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you guys how I customize my lace frontal wigs. Now this wig is from AsteriaHair and this is their Brazilian texture and 14 inches. I will have all the information down in the description box. Make sure you guys check them out because for this unit, I paid no more than $130, which in my opinion is a really good deal. So to first begin, you want to go ahead and section off, I like to say, ½ inch of hair in width away from the beginning of the hairline. And this is going to act as our baby hairs. So we're going to have to finesse them, and I like to start off by doing it closest to the hairline. So once you have the amount of hair sectioned off, you want to go ahead and pin it up. And personally, I like to use water while I'm doing this because it really helps loosen up those hair fibers. So I like using water, and I honestly think having a good pair of tweezers also helps with this process. So I picked my tweezers up from TJ Maxx, and you can always find a really good high quality pair of tweezers from TJ Maxx if you're looking for some on a short notice. And as you guys can see here, I'm just tweezing the hair in no particular order, but I do want to make sure I go ahead and remove some of this density from the beginning of the hairline because having a really thick hairline does not look realistic. And that's another thing I wanted to mention to you guys about this wig from AsteriaHair is it already came pre-plucked a little bit. It did have some baby hairs, but it was nothing close to what I wanted. So in this video, I'm showing you guys how to customize it. So here you guys will see me again just going in on the side of the hairline, trying to remove some of that density so it'll look like baby hairs. And you pretty much want to repeat this step all over the hairline. And honestly, you guys, the easiest way that I like to do it is just spraying water and tweezing all the way through until you have a nice amount of lace showing. I also wanted to mention to you all, I didn't bleach the knots on this unit yet, and I already have a video up on my channel where I show you how to bleach some knots. But after I plucked this frontal, I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this unit. So once you've done a generous amount of plucking, you want to take a break in between and comb the hair out just to see how much you're actually removing. So this way you're not over plucking, because if you over pluck, you're going to need to start over and it's a really bad situation. So you just want to pluck and check as you go. Once I feel I've plucked enough hair, I like to go in with my dual-ended hair shaper that I picked up from the beauty supply store. It was like $1.99, and I like using this because it really helps me create those baby hairs in the length that I like. And I'm not going to customize my baby hairs completely because I like to do that once the unit is on and the knots have been bleached. So in this video, I'm strictly showing you guys how to pluck and customize your frontal hairline. So I do the exact same steps on the opposite side, and I went ahead and sped this part up because I want to show you guys also how to customize your part. So this unit did not come with any parts, so I'm going to go ahead and make 2 side parts and 1 middle part. So here again, I like to make my part first and go in with the water bottle because getting the hair wet really allows me to see what I'm working with and how much hair I have to remove. And the thickness of your part is going to depend on what you personally like. I know some people like a thin, long part, and I know some people like a really wide, short part. So it really all depends on you. And as you guys can see here, once I'm done with the middle part, I like to move over to the side part and go ahead and widen the part up just a little bit. Again, you'll be able to see it so much better once the knots have been bleached. But for the purpose of this video, I wanted to keep the knots black so you guys would really see how this works. And while I'm doing my side parts, you'll see me brushing the hair up. And I like to do this because when the hair is up in a ponytail, you're able to see how thick the density is around the hairline, and I want to make sure it looks super duper natural, even though 9 times out of 10 I won't wear the hair up in a pony at all. But this just helps make sure the hairline is 99% customized to you. So once I'm done on this side, I like to go to the other side and do that next part and just make sure that the whole unit looks really seamless, super natural. And honestly, it's so easy to customize your lace frontal. Do not get overwhelmed. It's easy. You just have to make sure you don't over pluck, and to avoid doing that, you just check as you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you want to purchase the wig from AsteriaHair, make sure you guys check out the description box down below. They have some really good bundles, and I absolutely love this wig. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.